I am going to show you a brief introduction to Butte College. They have excellent handouts. For lack of a better word, I suppose these aren't formatted as handouts to print, but you could do that if you wanted to. You'll notice over here on the left-hand side all of the different lessons that they have. These are ones that you're going to also encounter during this course, or maybe another grammar course if you take it. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see what this lesson looks like. This is on the 8 parts of speech. So we've got, for example, them beginning with a noun. They give a definition. Then they give a few examples. They give a more detailed explanation of it. And then they give examples of it in a sentence. They do this for each of the 8 parts of speech. I'm going to scroll up and just show you another one. I like going to their handout for run-on sentences and comma splices. You'll notice that they have examples of the 2 of these together, which I really like because they are siblings, if you will, the errors are. And then they give the corrections just below it. Again, lots of definitions, but they also just give you additional information that is helpful for you to identify these problems and to fix them. So if you are just looking for another type of explanation, or you're looking for additional examples than what you've already been provided, this might be something that you find helpful. Have a great day.